Hello students, this is Professor Shrenik Shah. In this video, we are going to learn a special effect of current electricity known as Seebeck effect. Now we know very well that when current passes through a resistance, it produces heat. Now the Seebeck effect is exactly opposite of that with the help of different metals connected to different temperatures zone forming different junctions also can generate EMF or current in a circuit. For example, if we take water which is heated, that means at very high temperature, and another container filled with ice cubes. That means at very low temperature, and we connect them with one wire of copper and another wire of iron. What do we found is that the current flow in these two wires, in case of copper it flows from cold junction to hot junction, in case of iron it flows from hot junction to cold junction. And if we connect a galvanometer over here, the galvanometer also shows deflection, and that proves that when the two bodies at two different temperature are connected by two wires or different metals, it can produce EMF, which is known as thermo EMF. And the electricity which is produced due to this effect is called as thermoelectricity. Now let's assume that the temperature of the cold junction is 0 degrees Celsius and the temperature of hot junction is T degrees Celsius. Then the EMF, the thermo EMF produced, formula for that can be given as alpha T plus half beta T square, where alpha and beta are thermo constants. So basically the Seebeck effect tells you that when current flows through a resistance, the electric energy converts into heat energy. Exactly reverse of that, if we provide two junctions at very different temperature and connect them via two different metallic wires, we can convert the heat energy into electric energy. We can generate thermoelectricity. I hope you understood the Seebeck effect. Thank you very much.